How to turn $100 into $10,000 quickly. 15 rare and unheard of business ideas. Hey future business moguls, what if I told you that the $100 in your pocket could snowball into a cool $10,000? That's right, today, I'm about to blow your mind with 15 unique, rare, and creative business ideas to help you achieve that. These aren't your run-of-the-mill sell stuff on eBay or start freelancing tips. No, we're diving deep into fresh, untapped opportunities that could turn you into the next big success story. Let's jump right in. 1. Niche vintage media conversion services. Potential profit $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Dust off old VHS tapes, 8mm film reels, or cassettes. Invest $100 in a second-hand media converter available on sites like eBay. Market your service to families looking to preserve precious memories digitally. Why it works. People are nostalgic and want to save their memories. Few know how to digitize these formats, making this a valuable and rare service. Pro tip: offer premium services like custom labeling or cloud storage. 2. Subscription box for obscure collectibles. Potential profit $2,000 to $8,000 per month. Create a subscription box featuring rare or niche items like vintage stamps, quirky coins, or antique postcards. Use your $100 to acquire the first batch of items from thrift stores, estate sales, or online marketplaces. Why it works. Collectors love a steady flow of unique items without the hassle of finding them themselves. Target audience: hobbyists and collectors of odd, historical, or niche memorabilia. Urban foraging tours. Potential profit $3,000 to $6,000 per month. If you live in an urban area, start a guided foraging tour to teach people how to identify edible plants, mushrooms, or herbs growing right in their backyards or local parks. Your $100 can cover basic promotional materials and a guidebook for reference. Why it works. The growing interest in sustainable living and local food sources makes this an exciting, rare offering. Pro tip: offer seasonal workshops for added value. Micro studio rentals for content creators. Potential profit $5,000 to $15,000 per month. With $100, set up a small studio space in your home or garage using basic lighting and soundproofing materials. Rent it out to local content creators or podcasters who need a professional space without a big investment. Why it works. Content creation is booming, and many creators lack access to professional studios. Pro tip: offer add-ons like editing software access or props for filming. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Business idea: 5 custom-tailored digital escape rooms. Potential profit $2,000 to $10,000 per month. Create themed virtual escape rooms for corporate team building events or birthday parties. Use your $100 to subscribe to a design tool like Canva or pay for an online advertising campaign. Why it works. Escape rooms are a hit, and the digital format lets you reach a global audience. Example themes: Lost in Space, Time Traveler's Mission, or Ancient Treasure Hunt. Business idea 6. Audio branding for small businesses. Potential profit $3,000 to $12,000 per month. Invest your $100 in basic audio software and start creating jingles, hold music, or sound logos for small businesses. Why it works. Audio branding is an often overlooked marketing tool, and businesses are eager to stand out. Pro tip: partner with local marketing agencies to land more clients. Business idea 7. Rent a friend for niche experiences. Potential profit $2,000 to $7,000 per month. Launch a rent-a-friend service where you accompany clients to events or teach them skills like gaming, painting, or even cooking. Your $100 can cover your initial marketing efforts. Why it works. Many people seek companionship or guidance but don't know where to look for it. Target audience: introverts, expats, or hobby enthusiasts. 8. High-profit virtual babysitting. Potential profit $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Offer virtual babysitting services where you entertain kids through educational games or storytime sessions. Your $100 can go toward props, toys, or digital subscriptions like Canva to create engaging content. Why it works. Busy parents are willing to pay for safe, creative ways to keep their kids occupied. Pro tip: offer group sessions for higher scalability. 9. Rare ingredient sourcing service. Potential profit $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Use $100 to find exotic or hard-to-find ingredients like saffron, truffle oil, or rare spices. Sell them to foodies or upscale restaurants. Why it works? Chefs and home cooks alike are always on the hunt for unique flavors. Pro tip: bundle items to create curated culinary kits. 10. DIY treasure hunting kits. Potential profit $2,000 to $6,000 per month. Create treasure hunting kits for families or kids, complete with maps, clues, and small treasures. Use $100 to buy the materials needed to make your first kits. Why it works? It's a fun, interactive experience that appeals to both kids and parents. Pro tip: offer themed kits like Pirate's Gold or Mystic Forest Quest. Business idea 11. Mini drone services for local events. Potential profit $5,000 to $15,000 per month. Purchase a small, budget-friendly drone with your $100 to capture aerial footage of local events, real estate listings, or even weddings. Why it works? Drone photography is in high demand and most people don't have the skills or equipment to do it themselves. Pro tip: offer edited videos as part of your package. Business idea 12. AI chatbot, creation for niche markets. Potential profit $5,000 to $20,000 per project. Invest your $100 in chatbot software to create AI-driven customer support bots for small businesses. Target industries like boutique retailers, personal trainers, or local artists. Why it works? Chatbots save businesses time and money while improving customer experiences. Pro tip: offer custom themes or features tailored to each client. 13. Rare pet supplies for exotic animals. Potential profit $2,000 to $10,000 per month. Use $100 to source unique products for exotic pets like reptiles, parrots, or ferrets. Market these items online or through niche forums. Why it works? Exotic pet owners often struggle to find specialized supplies, and they're willing to pay a premium. Pro tip: offer subscription boxes for recurring revenue. 14. Hyper niche online communities. Potential profit $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Use your $100 to create a private community platform for niche groups, such as amateur magicians, competitive Lego builders, or underwater photographers. Charge a membership fee and offer exclusive resources, webinars, or forums. Why it works? People thrive in communities where they can connect with like-minded individuals. Pro tip: offer lifetime memberships for upfront cash flow. 15. Sell digital memorials. Potential profit $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Create virtual memorials or digital tribute pages for loved ones. Use your $100 to buy a website domain and premium design templates. Why it works? The digital age is transforming how people memorialize loved ones, and this is a sensitive yet impactful way to help. Pro tip: offer add-ons like custom music or photo slideshows. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.